this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and hey, you want something to do while we're all like in our cave here? It's Paper Pumpkin. It's a monthly subscription through Stampin' Up! Where you can make cards, and it's the whole kit, so you don't like have to really go out and buy special stuff. So this is the one for, this is March. So this is March's Paper Pumpkin. Let's open it up. I haven't looked inside yet. Alrighty, so look what it's got. Oh, and we get a free stamp set this month because I think they do it once a year. I'm not sure. Don't call me on that one, but I get an extra gifty. So this is really kind of awesome. So these are the cards it's going to make. I don't know if you can see that. Bum, bum, bum. And it comes with, we get a gray ink. And here are some stamps here. It has clouds and looks like rain, flowers, and hearts. And it says, oh, let love grow, no matter the weather, we're in it together. And here's some rain boots. Oh, and look at the, is that a doorway? That's a doorway. That's really cute with some plants and a bunny. And I believe in joy. And this is really cute. And then you open up the tissue and you get the kit. So let's pull this out. And these are the cards it's gonna make here. And I'm just showing you the unboxing now. I'm gonna do, I'll probably attach it to this video. I'm gonna go ahead and put some together and I'll show you what I've made so we can follow their rules and maybe create some more for ourselves here. So it comes with little rain droplets. I know that's hard to see. Some glue dots, some string, dimensionals, the envelopes, and look, it's got pre-done cards. So it's got these little cute little rain boot cards. It's got some pop outs here, a few of those nice bunny stuff. Oh, look at that. That is really pretty with the sky and everything. And here's some with grass, and then some more punch outs. So I'm gonna go ahead and create some cards and see what I come up with, and I will be right back. Bye. Okay, I've got everything kind of sectioned out here. I got our 3 cards, one of the 4 punch outs of these. Got my envelopes. They've got all the cute little inserts inside the envelopes. Some tags and circles for tags for sentiments and all the things. So I'm gonna start. Bye. And I'm back. So this is the Paper Pumpkin all assembled. So these are the cards that they've got suggested here, and all the instructions to make those are inside. So this is a nice complete kit. So if you are bored because you're trapped in your house through this pandemic, anyway, this is a great way to pass the time with your kids. I also made some alternatives. So I made this card with the same stamp set that comes in the kit, but I used this die cut is from Stitched Shapes. So you can mix things around and kind of use it. And with the flowers here, what I did is I stamped only half of the basket with the flowers with the old olive, and then I used this and Melon Mambo and made these flowers on the end. So I just, you know, made sure I didn't stamp the bottom of the basket, and everything's pretty, the rest of it's straightforward. So there's an alternative. So I'll put that one up there. And then I did another one where I took the girl, just like in this one, and I stamped all the little weeds here, and then I stamped the, like the bricks on the side here, just to kind of make it look like a sidewalk. And then I took my So Many Stars and I grabbed the piece and I just stamped that there. So there's another alternative. And then I made another one out of some designer paper, and I took the Pleased as Punch paper. So here's all these really cute umbrellas, and took the umbrella punch that goes with it. And then out of Ornate Frames, I took this frame here and the I Believe in You from the set right here. And I stamped that and just used the little dirt marks from the stamp set. And that's how I made that one. So that's another great one. And then I took the door from the stamp set. And the door was really cute, but it's kind of like this abstract door, kind of goes off into nothing. So I cut that down into Stitched So Sweetly. I used a couple of them, and then I used a smaller one here and stamped the congratulations from your new house from Delightful Day. And then I used the Peaceful Poppies DS paper to make the rest of it. So that's another cute idea. So we'll put this one up here. And then I did an Easter one. So I took the die or the stamp from Welcome Easter, and then I fussy cut it. Actually, I have a scan and cut machine, but you can fussy cut that one. That one's not too hard. And I took the bumblebee, and then the basket and the flowers, and then I took the tag here that came in the kit, and I stamped Happy Easter. So that's another one. And this one I like the most. That's why I'm showing it last. Is this one here. So I used their card and all their drops and their clouds. And the clouds, I used that basic gray that came with the kit, and I stamped off. And then I stamped it so it's not as dark. And then I cut the tag in half, used the sentiment from the kit, and then I used the frog from By the Dock, because I thought, oh, well, that, makes a lot of sense. And I stamped the boots. So there's another one. So you can use your paper pumpkin with all the stamp sets that you have and kind of mix and match and make some really kind of cool cards. So I hope you like it. If you want to try paper pumpkin, if you're in the Denver area, I live in Aurora, and you want to place an order online, I will give you one of my paper pumpkins for free. I have January's and I have December's, and they're nice little kits. But if you place an order online, you're a new customer, or even if you're not, what the heck? We're all trapped here in our houses. So if you're a new customer and you place an order online, I'll give you the kit. You can come by my house. I can Lysol it down, give you a little Lysol wipe and everything, make sure it's got no cooties on it, and you can pick it up for free. So, or if you want to wait until after the epidemic, if you are out of the state, I'll send you one. I'll mail it to you for free after, everything's over and the post office comes back to life. So anyway, that's it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my website, joyofcards.com. You can also get to my YouTube from my website. And if you subscribe on both of them, you can win one of these cards. I'll mail them to you for free. So that's it. So everybody find some stuff to do. This is a great way to kill time with kids, and I hope everyone's well. Thank you.